Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long an Equifax credit report dispute takes. When you submit a dispute to Equifax regarding an error on your credit report, the standard investigation timeline is typically 30 days from the date they receive your request. In certain situations involving additional documentation or information provided mid-investigation, that window may be extended by an extra 15 days, bringing the total potential wait time up to 45 days. Once the credit bureau completes its investigation, Equifax is required by law to provide you with the results in writing within 5 business days of the investigation finishing. If any items are modified or deleted as a result of the dispute, they will also send you a finalized, updated copy of your Equifax credit report at no additional charge. To ensure your dispute moves through the process as efficiently as possible without unnecessary delays, make sure to include clear supporting evidence, such as account statements or official letters from creditors, right from the initial submission. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.